6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3. Good. How do we do this? Woman Zaida, first 3 steps, everything okay. 1, 2, 3, and here we start the turning motion, which we're going to continue with the right hand, guys. Bringing the girl to the side, 4. On this 4, I make a tap, but I bring the girl fully with the body weight on the left. Now, with the left hand, I will push and bring her from my left side to my right side and turn 90 degrees and cross back. 5. Also, here is important to get distance from the girl, and because it's syncopation, and on the 6 you make break forward, girls come with the body weight, and body turn. And here we are on the highest point. And then we go down, down, balance, tension for syncopation, and we go. Good. So we do 1, 2, 3. Power in the frame. Also, when I do this, I put the hand to the side of the girl. So what I'm doing is switching the hand from here on the 4 to here. Why? Because like this I can bring the girl a little bit more far away from me. Also, when I do this, to make a nice flow, I go down. I will go down, down, up, highest point, tap, guys, and then let the girl come. Don't bring the girl here, girls. You need to follow the body of the guy. Why? Because he's telling me with the body language. Come to me, and then, okay? So be gentle in the leading, don't force the girl, and girls, be active. Follow then 1, 2, 3, and then we finish. Good. So what does it mean? When we are here, we can do the syncopation, 5 and 6, and now turn again to the tap. Tap. And do again the syncopation, tap, tap, tap. And again, tap, 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 tap. And I always finish 180 degrees. So if I start here, I will be finishing to the mirror, tap, 90 degrees turn, and now the last 90. So I make tap, cinco, tap, tap, cinco, tap, tap, cinco. Enough. If you make it too much, it's not good.